So in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to get the green tick on your profile right now. As you're seeing on the screen right now, it's very easy. It's not something now. You just have to complete some credential to be able to eligible for this one. I'm going to show you my profile now to see how you will be eligible for the green mark. So it's loading, and then you see win. Like I won like 5 battles. You have to win like 5 battles before you can get the green mark, and then out of the 46 battles I only won 5, so not bad. And then here you come to another fight to be able to fight. Here this is how to fight. You can upgrade your robot to be able to increase the strength and the battery, the charging or whatever. So if you have friends you refer, you can fight with them, and then not tell them not to fight back, so you'll be able to win up to your 5, and then you are good to go to get your tick mark. And then if you want to fight randomly, that's on you. So these are the procedure you have to pass through. It's not something hard. Then if you find this video helpful, if you find this video good for you and it really assists you, you know what to do. Just like the video, subscribe, and share with your friend, because so many people wants to know how to be qualified for the airdrop. Thank you.